Okay, in this question we've got the cumulative frequency graph, where the cumulative frequency goes all the way up to 100, and we've got age in years going up to 102. So we can use this to find an estimate for the number of people who are less than 70 years of age. So let's go to 70 years of age, and let's draw a line up from there to our graph. Let's just go through it. There we go. And then what we're going to do, oops, sorry about that, let's just bring that back on. What we're going to do is we're then going to draw across from our graph and find out what value that gives us, and that gives us a value just about, let's just bring that across, there we go, gives us a value just here. And this value that we've got is, if we read up from 80, so there's 90, 99, so it's 88. And so therefore the 88 out of 100 people are less than 77 years of age. Now the key thing to be careful of, quite often they ask you for more than 70, so do be careful and make sure it does say less than or more than. If there's more than, then we need to take 100 and subtract 88 away from that to get 12. Right, it's a common trip that they can put on you. Now we're going to use the graph to find an estimate for the median age. And the median age is where the middle person is, and the middle person's at 50 here. And what we need to do is we need to draw a line across to see where that gets us, and that gets us going down this line here. It's important you draw this, but I'm just going to try and do this freehand, which is not very easy. And it gets me about, if I take it across for illustrations of how to do this, that gives me 40. Okay, so the median age is 40 years. And the next thing I want to do is find out the interquartile range. So we need to find out what the quartiles. Well, the first quartile, Q1, is quarter the way up at 25. It's quarter of 100. So we take 25. We draw a line across, and then we draw a line down. It's just going to be fractionally more than 20. I think that's going to be 21 there. So lower quartile equals 21, and the upper quartile, let's find out what that is. 75 is here, so draw a line across. It's quite easy to find that line, and then I'm going to try and draw a straight line down, straight down, keep in the same tram lines if nothing else, all the way down to here, which appears to be around about there. So if that is 58 on my picture, so therefore the IQR, the interquartile range, will equal 58 minus 21. Sorry, minus 21's gone off the page. 58 minus 21, take 1 off that, gives you 57. Take 20 off that, gives you 37 years is the interquartile range. For some reason my Q1 has disappeared. Let's just draw it in again. So this distance here is effectively 37 years. And that gives us a measure of our spread for our graph. This, in the median, gives us a measure, this value, of the central tendency. Okay, what our data is grouped around.